Good morning, students. Let's begin our social science class. Topic is non-farm activities in Palampur. When we talk about non-farm activities, it is like the activities other than farming. We have learned about farming as the main production activity in Palampur. We shall now take a look at some of the non-farm production activities. For example, shopkeeping, dairy, manufacturing, transport, and moreover computer center. These are the non-farm activities which is running in Palampur. Now we are going to see the illustration of each activity. The first activity is shopkeeping. So under shopkeeping, if we see the shop, a small shop running by the people just in front of bus stop, so that the people can have tea and small eatable item over there. Along with this, there were number of shops in Palampur, small journal store in the village, selling a wide range of items like rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuit, soap, toothpaste, batteries, candles, notebook, pen, pencil, even some clothes. Few of the families whose houses are close to bus stand, they also sell the fruits and vegetables. So by these all shops, they can earn their livelihood in village Palampur. Then this is Kareem. Kareem has opened a computer class center in the village. In recent year, a large number of students have been attending college in Shahpur town. Kareem found that a number of students from the village are also attending computer classes in the town. There were two women in the village who had a degree in computer applications. He decided to employ them. He bought computers and set up the classes in the front room of their houses overlooking the market. High school students have started attending them in a good number. This is how Kareem earned his livelihood by running computer center. This is a non-farm activity in village Palampur. Then next is let us move dairy farming. It is a most common activity. Dairy in Palampur, most of the family have their own cattle. People feed their buffaloes on various kinds of grass and the jowar, bajra that grows during the rainy season. The milk is sold in Raiganj, nearby village, and then the traders from Shahpur town set up collection cum chilling center at Raiganj, from where the milk is transported to far off towns and cities. So, selling milk is another mode of non-farming activity of village Palampur. Then we can see the manufacturing unit. When we talk about manufacturing, we immediately think the large factories and industrial plant town. But in Palampur, unlike the manufacturing take place in big factories in town and cities, in Palampur it is small, very simple production method or traditional method. All families in Palampur manufactured small scale units, for example, handicraft, cloth weaving, basket weaving, candle making, pickle, etc. So all family member engage in this activity. Rarely they hired the outside labor. So it is again a non-farm activity in village Palampur. Manufacturing, small scale industry. Then next case study, Mishri Lal. Mishri Lal has purchased a mechanical sugarcane crushing machine run on electricity and has set up on his field. Sugarcane crushing was earlier done by the help of bullocks, but now people prefer to do by machine these days. So Mishri Lal purchased or buys sugarcane from other farmer and process it into jaggery. Jaggery, which is locally known as gur. The jaggery is then sold to the trader in Shahpur, and the processed material makes a small profit. So this is the another way to carried out in village as a non-farming activity. Then the other activity of non-farming considered as transportation. Transport, a fast developing sector. There are variety of vehicles on the road connecting Palampur to Raiganj and Shahpur through the different transportation things like rickshawala, then tongawala, jeep, tractor, then truck, and uh, bullock carts. These are the mode of transportation. People in the transportation service ferry people and goods from one place to another and in return get paid for it. The number of people involved in transport has grown over the last several years. Then another case study, Kishore is a farm laborer like other. Kishore found it difficult to meet his family need from the wages that he received. A few years back, Kishore took a loan from the bank. This was under a government program which was giving cheap loan to poor landless household. Kishore bought a buffalo and then he start selling his uh, its milk to the other people. Whatever he feed, it is only he received from his own field like jowar and bajra. Along with selling milk, he also uh, attach a wooden cart with a buffalo and uses it to the transport various items. Once a week, he goes to the river Ganga to bring back clay for the potter, or sometimes he goes to the Shahpur with a load of jaggery or other commodities. Every month he gets some work in transport. As a result, Kishore is able to earn more than what he used to do some years back. After studying all non-farming activity such as shopkeeping, dairy farming, transportation, computer center, and the manufacturing, small scale manufacturing, we came on conclusion that showing the nature of capital and labor used for the production of goods and services in Palampur by Kareem, Mishri Lal and Kishore. How they use fixed capital, working capital, labor and types of labor. These all we have discussed in the beginning of chapter, like the what are the factor of production. So one can earn their livelihood by the use of these factor of production. So I hope you all understand the topic non-farming activities in Palampur. Question related to it, I'll give it in the next clip. Thank you and have a nice day.